Cut. The image is not supposed to be mirroring the other way. You have to make it normal.
Sorry, I don't know whatever happened.
It's okay. Alright, take two. Cut. Why is it in a DVD version? It's not supposed to be, and this is so actually dumb.
Well,
I like into ears here because anyway the saturation's in 0.0 seconds. Let's just go to take three. No. Cut. This screen is in upside down. You're going to fall off if you keep upside down.
sorry.
This is the upside down because I'm not falling off. That's fine. Let's just go to take four already. Cut. The image is not supposed to be in black and white. Don't do it at all.
Sorry,
But the black and white kind of make me sick sometimes. That's fine. Okay, change you color green back. We will do ticket number 5. Cut. You can't use it in slow motion. You have to make it at least faster.
sorry. I don't know whatever happened.
Same here. Okay, make it faster. We will do take number 6. Yeah, take 6. Cut. I don't meant that fast. I meant in a normal way.
Well, you told me to go fast, so sorry.
Alright, change the speed back to normal. We will do take number 7. Ooh, the image is hot. I'm about to burn like in death.
Sorry.
It's fine. Let's just make it colder. We will do take a number 8. Oh my gosh. The image is cold. I'm about to freeze like an ice cube.
Oh my gosh. I'm about to warm up.
Okay, warming up. Cause we will do take a number 9.
Sorry ass DJ.
Cut. The Call Me music is not supposed to be playing. You have to use the original audio. Let's just go to take a number freaking AAF 9. Don't do that again. Why is he just breathing like hey yo? Stupid pigs! Ugh. I knew that the super wide music is not supposed to be interrupting this video. It should know better. Alright. Take a number 10. Drink PBS cut. The video is not supposed to be pixelate. This is not a video game. This is the video production. Let's just go to take a number 11.
Meow.
Cut. Wait a second. How did the cat get in here? He's not supposed to be here.
Sorry. I don't know whatever happened.
Same here. Okay, Green Cat, I will give you one more chance. And if you screw it up one last time, we are done, okay?
Okay, I will try my best.
Good. Alright, final take, also known as take number 12. Drink PB. Okay, that is it. We are done. Next, I'm going to do a Scratch Cat system cue. Now leave the studios.
Darn, I knew it.